Hi there, welcome again to Fifth Wheelers Australia. We have a number of Winnebago owners come to us, they have a problem with their slide out. They may have a long reach, or they might have the nullarbor, they might even have the Coachman Miranda. So if you've got one of those and you've got a Lift Co slide out system, and you'll know if it's a Lift Co because it has these scissor arms on the side. And a common problem with the bottom mount is it tears out the arm that goes in there. There's a little pin in there that breaks out of the framework and it has to be welded. The only way we've worked it out to do it is we pull the slide out, we weld it in there, we put the slide out back in. Quite an extensive job. Took us a lot to work out how to fix the Lift Co, and I can show you inside how we start to pull it out. Okay, so the method for pulling the slide out took a fair bit of consultation and a bit of Googling, but we disconnect the scissor arms on the side of the slide out, and then down on the floor, either here in the living area or up underneath the table, there'll be the motor and gearbox, and there'll be an Acme thread, a thread under the floor. To get to it, you've got to get through this hole. What we did to make it easier, we pulled the carpet up, we cut a slot out of the floor, and in there's two bolts. You've got to remove the two bolts. Quite often they're stripped or broken. You have to do the same up the other end underneath the table. Remove the two bolts, and then the slide out can push out. Supported it when it gets more than halfway out. And then with all the arms disconnected, this pelmet has to be removed all the way around, and then it comes out. You've got to address things like electrical, 240, 12 volt. If there's cooking in there, you'd have to remove gas. But that's the basics for removing the Lift Co. Two bolts in the floor above each thread, only accessible from the inside. The nuts sometimes spin underneath, and then remove the slide out. Anyway, visit us at Fifth Wheelers Australia in Ballarat, Victoria, if you want us to do it.